Hey everybody, it's Lex from Lexcakez, and today I just want to do a quick unboxing of a package I just received from JB Cookie Cutters. So I noticed right away there's no packaging slip inside, so there's no way for me to tell what cookie cutter is what, and I ordered 9 cookie cutters. So I see that right there is definitely a problem that should be addressed, but it's no big deal because I got a toddler, so I know what cookie color is what when it comes to Paw Patrol. So I see all these different ones, and I ordered them in 2 different sizes, 5.5 and 3. The 5.5 is for the front of my cakes, and then the 3s are for my cupcake toppers and my cookies. I see that one right there is Zuma, and I can tell already. So I'm just going to unpackage Zuma and see what contents are inside. So it's not a lot of pieces, but it's enough. More of the components make up of the eyes, but it come with pieces, but that's still manageable. And it comes with a little stamp of a little paw, which I think is super cute, and it comes with each Paw Patrol character. So that's really cute, and I can use that on different things like stamping boards and, just stamping little small little things. And that's all Zuma. Also, what I did realize is that it is made from a really high grade plastic. It's not bendable or anything, so it's perfect. But I used these cookie cutters before, so I'm pretty much familiar about, how the cookie cutters work and everything. This one I'm pulling out looks like rubble, but it's actually Marshall. See, that's what I'm saying. If it had a label on the outside, then I can definitely figure out what they are faster. But I'm just going to label these right now, so for storing purposes and so that I know what size they are and what character is in the inside. So this one right here is Marshall, and he's 5.5 inches. And I'm just going to write Paw Patrol on the side just so I know what character set he came from. And I'm going to keep doing these for everyone. Now, this is how I label them. I write Marshall, and then I write the size of them, which is 5.5 inches, and then I write Paw Patrol on the side. Up next, we should have Rubble officially now, but I'm going to write it on there. Rubble, again, his size, which is 5.5 inches, and then Paw Patrol. And then I'm just going to keep doing this for all the rest of my 9 cookie cutters. The last one I have is my 3-inch Paw Patrol logo, and I'm going to do this one a little differently. I'm just going to write Paw Patrol and then the size next to it. So I'm just going to write Paw Patrol logo, and then I'm going to write 3 inches right next to it. And I'm going to store it the same way, but I just want to have that it's the logo at the top and not a character. And I'm done. Why can't they just come in a box just like this? So overall, I feel like if they had better packaging as far as like labels on the outside of the project and even a packing slip inside, Joe, I can just see what contents I ordered, then I think it would be overall, better. But as far as the product itself, it is a great product. And I'm going to show you guys soon how I actually put these cookie cutters together. Right now, I'm just grouping them into different sizes so I can store them. And I'm going to put them in the box the same way. I also wanted to give you guys my order total. My order total was about $60. That's after they applied a coupon code. And before I even saw the coupon code, I messaged them and I asked them, do they have, free shipping on certain amount of orders? And they said no, they didn't. So that was a bummer. But then when I found the coupon code, I was super happy. I got 30% off. And they are on a pricier side. So I tried to order other cookie cutters from other places, but they just did not meet my expectations. But it seemed like JB always meet my expectations, so I kind of always order cookie cutters from there when I need them completely custom. Overall, it is a good product, and I really do like, working with them because they get it here fast. Subscribe for my upcoming video on how to make Paw Patrol cupcake toppers.